my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you can see from the background, I'll be unboxing what I got for my birthday. So if you're interested and want to see the goodies behind me, let me move a little bit so you can see everything. This is actually not all of it. I have ordered a few more items, but they're not here yet and I'm not sure when they'll arrive, so there might be another haul soon. I don't know how soon, but there will be another haul because I want to show you the rest of it. But some of my favorite items are here, so I decided to sit down and film this video. My birthday passed, it was a few days ago, and it was fun. I celebrated my birthday at home with Yoshi. I'll ask him to come say hi later. But yeah, let's get started so I can show you what I got. Oh, you sleepy? Oh my god, you're so warm, you little munchkin. Come, little boo. Come say hi. Come say hi. Say hi. Wait. Say hello. Okay, come. Shh. Look at the camera. Say hi. Oh, my little bunny. Alright, let's get started. I think I'll start with this orange one. So this is a little Hermes that I bought before the lockdown. So some of you might know what it is already because I've worn it so many times in many of my videos, but I haven't officially unboxed it. So this is it. It comes in this small little orange vitamin C box, and inside we have da-da-da-da. Okay, so this is the Click H bracelet that I got. Let me put it on. Some of you have already noticed that I've been wearing this a lot and asked me about the color. So the color is, here we go, my French, marron glacier. And as far as I'm aware, it is a permanent color in their line. When I saw this color, I fell in love. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's my favorite color, grey, and to me this is such a beautiful neutral color. It goes with everything, so I don't really take it off. I wear it every single day. So my bracelet is with the gold hardware. It also comes with rose gold and silver, and mine is also in the larger size. It comes in two sizes, small and large. Both of them fit. I just feel more comfortable with the largest size. I have a few more of these bracelets and all of them are in the large, so yeah, but I don't really wear the rest of them that much. However, this one I love and I wear non-stop, so it's definitely one of my favorite purchases. Okay, so next I want to unbox what's in this beautiful pink box. It is from Miu Miu, as you can see, and this item has been on my wish list since last summer to be precise. So let's see what's in here. I found this on My Teresa and I scored it 50% off, and I think there was additional like 20% on top, which was even like 30% off actually. So that was great. It was such a big score. I couldn't believe it. It's in the exact same color that I wanted. By the way, look at the beautiful box. I love Miu Miu packaging. It is so stunning. It's gold and this beautiful powder pink. So this is it. These are my beautiful Miu Miu shoes. These are the exact same color that I wanted. These were on my wish list in this exact same color because these come in so many colors and they're all so beautiful. However, I wanted these because they're neutral, they go with everything, so I love them. Look how cute. They're the perfect summer sandal. They have the kitten heel, but it's like a really beautiful kitten heel. Can you guys see? It's so interesting. And they're satin and they have this huge, beautiful, huge bow on top. I can't believe that I scored them for such a good price. I think I paid about £200. Also, I want to show you the sole. Can you guys see? There are two little Yoshis, two little cats. so cute. You know that Miu Miu is a brand that I love. I have spoken about it so many times. I love their accessories, they're so much fun, such beautiful designs, very girly, very feminine. I also love their ready-to-wear. I think they have one of the best ready-to-wear pieces, and I just love everything Miu Miu. I think they have the cutest stuff ever. These run small, by the way, so if you're considering getting them, definitely size up. I went a full size up, so normally in the sandals and open shoes I'm 37.5. These are 38.5, so make sure you size up. They're also quite tight, but if you size up, they should be fine. So I'll link some of my favorite colors. Most of them are actually on sale now because these are last season, so you can score them half price now, and they have them in black, in metallics. So I'll try and find every single color and link it down below because you need to check these out. They're the best. Alright, next we have something amazing from Fendi. I can't wait to show you guys. This is very exciting. So inside we have a hanger. So as you can tell, it is a ready-to-wear piece, and I'm actually already wearing it. This beautiful top that I'm wearing is what I bought from Fendi in the most beautiful, perfect ballerina pink color with the most gorgeous detailing on the sleeves. I'll insert some clips so you can see it, because you can't really see how gorgeous this top is when I'm sitting down. This also came in a very beautiful baby blue color and a beautiful orange color, which was very summery, very happy color. But you know me, I always go for the more neutral colors, although I was eyeing the baby blue as well, but this was definitely my favorite and I couldn't resist. It is absolutely stunning. The fabric is so lightweight, it is perfect for spring and summer, and I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. I absolutely love all the detailing. I love the beautiful ribbon that you tie on the neck. The sleeves are my favorite, and also these beautiful cutouts on the shoulder. It is a bit sheer, so you could wear it with a top underneath, like a bustier top, but I'm currently only wearing a bra underneath. So it's not that bad, it's not super sheer. This I think came last year with their spring summer collection, so I've been eyeing it again since last year, and this also came in a dress version. The dresses are absolutely beautiful as well, these beautiful sheer organza dresses. If I find any left, I'll link them. They're exactly the same on the top, they have the exact same detailing with the cutouts and the beautiful sleeves, but they're like long dresses. So I'll try and find everything and link it down in the description box. Hopefully they're still available. If not, you can still check in your local boutiques or ask your essays. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Are you serious? Not now, please. I'm filming. Can you guys hear that knocking and banging noise? I think my neighbor's doing some DIY project, so he's banging something with the hammer. Okay, so moving on with bags. I did get 3 bags for my birthday. Yes, not 1, not 2, but 3. One of them was a gift, and these were all pre-birthday gifts, so I'll briefly show you them because I've already done an unboxing videos for every single one. But in case you've missed those videos, this is what I got for my birthday. This is the biggest purchase, the mini Chanel Classic flap from the new spring summer collection. Oh my god, this guy does not give up. I'm not going to review it or talk a lot about this bag in this video. I just want to briefly show you it in case you've missed the video. If you want to watch the full unboxing video, I'll link it up here and down below. So this is the first baggie that I got. Okay, so bag number 2 that I bought is this mini cutie, the mini black chapeau from Louis Vuitton in the reverse monogram. Again, I have done an unboxing for this one, so if you're interested, you can find it up here in this corner and down below. Okay, so this one, as I mentioned, was a gift, and it is this beautiful RSVP bag. I did show you this bag in another recent video. I quickly unboxed it and styled it. but this is the beautiful bag that I got. Thank you so much RSVP for sending this bag. It is so practical. It is also perfect for work. Not that I go to work now, but I'll definitely use it for work as well. And it is great. It is a great bag and the size is perfect. It fits a ton. It also has a crossbody strap and a top handle, so I love that one. So this is bag number 3. These are the 3 babies in the background that I got for my birthday. Alright, next I have a fragrance, a very special fragrance. I can show you it because it is censored. So this is a Tom Ford fabulous perfume. I got the censored version. I didn't even realize I was getting the censored version. It's not normally crossed, but anyway, I don't mind it. It is such a beautiful scent, guys. I love it so much. Don't ask me how it smells because I can't describe the smell. It is such a unique smell. I also think it smells different on different people, so I can't really describe the scent. It is very unique. It is unisex. It is very long lasting. This is a bit more pricey, but it is one of the more limited, like exclusive perfumes. This and a few more. This is definitely my favorite from the entire range. Once the stores reopen, definitely go and check it out or just order it. I'm sure you will love it. So it's one of my favorite purchases. So very happy. Okay, last I want to show you my gift from my bestie Laura. She gave me this beautiful Charlotte Tilbury box, and inside there are a few different goodies. It's not just Charlotte Tilbury, so let's open it. It was such a nice surprise and I love every single item in this box, so let's see what we have. She gave me the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. I love texturizing sprays. I'll use this every day. And then we have a little Charlotte Tilbury sample of their mascara. And then we have this little Charlotte Tilbury box, and inside we have a mini lipstick. It is actually in a really beautiful color, very wearable. It is in the color Stoned Rose. So I love it. It is so cute and perfect for my mini bags. And then we also have, that's not it, we have more items. So this is what I'm actually wearing today. This is Charlotte Tilbury Glow Gasm Beauty Light Wand. This is a highlighter and it is in a beautiful gold shade, so I love that one. It is in this packaging. This is the packaging, and it is like a cream highlighter, but it doesn't lift your makeup, so I put it on top of powders and it looks so beautiful and glowy. And then one of my favorite items in the box, this. She knows I've been wanting this for so long. I don't have it, so she surprised me with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. So this is definitely one of my favorite Huda Beauty palettes. I have been wanting to buy this for I don't know how long, since it came out, but I don't know, I always end up buying other palettes, other Huda Beauty palettes, but this was still on my wish list and she surprised me with this. I was actually talking to Laura and I was saying to her how I need to buy more palettes, and she was like, just wait until your birthday, see what gifts you'll receive and then buy palettes. So she surprised me with this one. I'm glad I didn't buy any new palettes. This is so beautiful. It is great for every day. I'll show you close-ups. I still haven't used it. I wanted to use it today, but at the same time I wanted to film the video and show you the fresh palette because it's so beautiful. The colors are just amazing, and I love all Huda Beauty palettes, so I'm sure this one will be great as well. They blend so easily, and I love pinks. It has beautiful pinks and glitters, so thank you so much, Laura. This was such a beautiful gift and I can't wait to try the rest of the goodies. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's birthday haul video. There will definitely be another one when I receive the rest of the goodies that I ordered online. So stay tuned for that one. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out and click the notification bell. Also, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see how I will style all these beautiful new items that I got. Can't wait to style them up and start wearing them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!